Guys, how's it going? Wanted to make a G Fuel unboxing video because this is the first time I'm trying G Fuel, and I got the buy one get one tub free special, the Christmas in July, and I just wanted to make it, and I wanted to try Tropical Rain. But I'm gonna open this and then I'll get back into it. Alright guys, I got the box open and let's see what we got. Alright, so as you can see, a bunch of cardboard, we'll throw that aside. Oh, my shipping info. Well, here's a tub of Tropical Rain. As you can see, that's one tub. Then I got another one, Faze berry. And then it just comes with a bunch of stickers like always, and the cards like this one. You know, the Fuel Your Life G Fuel. It tells you what G Fuel is and stuff. Alright. This is what I was actually happy for. Let me see that. As you can see, it has the Faze rain rat faces. Tropical Rain right there. Then they got my man Tico rocking the apparel. And then they got a Scuff Gaming code. You guys can use that, I really don't care, even though it's not a code or anything. And that's pretty much it. So this is what we got for now. I'll probably do another taste test on this video, or on that flavor too. But for right now, I'm gonna do this one because I'm more hyped for this. And there's a plane. But I'm gonna just open this and I'll show you guys what or how it tastes like. Alright, so this is my first time opening a G Fuel. Let's open this up. Put the camera down. Alright, so I'm opening this. And there it is. Now I understand why people say it smells like Starburst. Let's see. But now I understand why. Let's get this out the way. Little packet. Keep in mind, this makes a lot of mess when you open this. Now I need to look for the shaker, which is right there. Let's get that out. Alright, so I just realized I didn't even cut that part out when I was trying to empty this out. Sorry for that, but now we're going to put the G Fuel in here. So I'm going to put the camera back down here. So I'm going to open this and get the G Fuel. Now remember, in G Fuel, I only know this, that you cannot overfill it. So then we're gonna pour it in there. As you can see, we're gonna put the scoop back, and we're gonna shake it. And now that I got my G Fuel in the, I'm gonna shake it up. I'm actually so excited for this. I always wanted to try G Fuel, especially Tropical Rain. Alright. I'm gonna try it. That is not bad. Wow, that is actually not that bad. Well, there you have it. There's a tropical rain. There's the actual scoop. Yeah, but that was good. I'll probably do another review test when I get my actual shaker cup, my tropical rain shaker cup. I already ordered it, but yeah, I like it. Especially for me, for trying it for the first time, it's pretty good. But thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like. It helps me out a lot. And subscribe. Thank you.